For constructing sturdy metal structures, welding is one of the most crucial processes. Suitable welding makes the metal bond durable and robust. On the other hand, poor welding can destroy the construction material and pour your hard-earned dollars down the drain. Hence, getting your hands on a good welding machine is essential. However, you might get confused about the variety of devices available in the market. To help you get your hands on a top-notch product, we have compiled a list of the greatest welding machines in 2023. There are many products available to choose the best welding machine for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best welding machines for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. YESWELDER Welding Machine. Whether you are a professional welder or want to construct metal frames at home, this welding machine is suitable for all. It comes with a DC stick function and allows cellulose electrode welding of non-alloy substances. Besides, the easy arc makes the welding smooth and fun. With automatic compensation on voltage fluctuation and current protection, this welder is safe to use. In addition, if it overloads or temperature exceeds the maximum capacity, the device automatically turns off. Another unique feature of this welder is its IGBT soft switch technology. It allows precise welding with 20 to 205 amps. This welding machine is lightweight, compact, and highly portable. It is suitable with all generators. Its high ventilation system controls the temperature of the device. Some customers do not find it durable. Number 2. Forney Welding Machine. This welder comes with infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, which gives the perfect metal bond. It is ideal to use for beginners. Besides, the mighty 140 amp output will enable you to easily weld mild steel. You can also use it on a rugged metal case. Thanks to its light weight of 19 pounds, you can easily carry this welder. On top of it, its sturdy metal fabrication makes it durable and solid. Accessories like a MIG gun, ground clamp, and 28 to 15A adapter helps you to weld seamlessly. It comes with a 12-month warranty. The LED lights help in proper control of the welder machine. This welder has an extended 6 feet cord that allows convenient welding. You cannot weld aluminium with this welder. Number 3. DEKOPRO Welding Machine. This strong welder is capable of welding mild steel, weld steel, stainless steel, aluminium, and cast iron. With the advanced IGBT inverter technology, you can enjoy reliable control on this welding machine. Besides, the compact design allows convenient transportation of the device. It maintains the stable output of voltage and strong adaptability with the electricity network. Another prominent feature of this welder is that it prevents copper and iron damage. It also preserves energy and saves you from paying massive electricity bills. You can weld a variety of materials like aluminium and steel. High-efficiency fan prevents overheating of the welder. It has a compact and sturdy design. Number 4. Hobart Welding Machine. This 5-position voltage control allows a smooth and stable arc on all welding surfaces. You can weld 24 gauge up to 1/4 inch mild steel, stainless steel, aluminium, and more materials using this welding machine. Besides, it comes with a clamp, power cord, dual gauge regulator with gas hose, and contact tips. It also features a 20% duty cycle with 25A to 140A, which allows perfect welding. On top of that, you can operate it at a standard household voltage of 115 V. It comes with a warranty period of 5 years. This welder is robust and durable. You can effortlessly weld steel, aluminium, and stainless steel material. Some customers find it overpriced for its quality. Number 5. DISPLAY4 Top Welding Machine. Make the welding process easy with this innovative welder. You can weld multiple materials like aluminium, carbon steel, stainless steel, and more. It has a flux cord wire and automatic thermal safety that avert fire tragedies while welding. For maintaining adequate coolness, this welder has a fan system that provides good air ventilation. In addition, it supplies a safe electric current and voltage. You also get extra accessories for a seamless welding process. Moreover, this welder is built from heavy-duty stainless steel and painted for sturdiness and long-lasting usage. It is lightweight and compact in size, which makes it easy to transport and store. This welder is made from sturdy stainless steel material, making it durable for years. Its auto-off feature saves you from tragedies. Some customers receive damaged accessories. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.